Answer a question I'll often get about the delivery schedule and the timing of our bunkies. Throughout the year, that can really vary. Obviously, we do a huge kind of push at the start of the season so that people can get in and get ready for spring. In fact, right now it's about April right now at the time of shooting this video, and we've had people order most of their stuff in February and a little bit into March, and so they're getting their bunkies, in May. So usually it's about a 10 to 12 week turnaround time. In the summer, though, it can get a lot longer. So I always tell everybody, think ahead, plan ahead, and if you want your bunkie for the summer, think about ordering it in the spring or even sooner if you can. And then if you want your bunkie in the fall, maybe order it towards the middle or the beginning of the summer if possible. But you can always email me and we'll get back to you with a very realistic timeline. I tend to be very conservative and under promise, over deliver is our motto. So if we can get you a bunkie as quickly as possible, we will. Sometimes we have inventory, and we can ship it the next day. However, a lot of times we are back ordered, especially this year, 2019. We've been really, really busy, which is a great thing, but we're not able to deliver tomorrow. So shoot me an email if you're interested in getting one, and we'll talk together with you about the perfect timeline for you.